Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my YouTube family. Today we will study about my country. So let's start our work. Number 1. My country name is Pakistan. Number 2. It came into being on 14th August 1947. Number 3. QUAIDE Quaid-e-Azam is the founder of Pakistan. Number 4. It has 4 provinces. Provinces. It has 4 provinces, namely Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Number 5. Islamabad. ISLAMABAD. Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Urdu is our national national language. language language. Number 7. Pakistan is basically an agricultural country. Number 8. HOCKEY hockey is the national game of Pakistan. National dress of Pakistan is shalwar kameez. Number 10 is jasmine, jasmine. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan. Number 11 is the national 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 animal of Pakistan. Pakistan. Pakistan is Marhor. Markhor. Number 12 is I love my country. I love my country very much. May Allah protect our country. Ameen.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.